I was just doing an exercise here, and that exercise is so beneficial to your playing. Even though it's an exaggeration, it's still enormously beneficial because what it's about is just playing with the greatest amount of intensity that you can, emotional intensity. And the guy I learned this from was Gary Moore. Whenever he was playing a solo, it was extremely intense, like full on, right? If he's bending a note, right, it's just, right, like that. And he really gets across with what he does, right? Like almost nobody else, right? If you like his playing, otherwise you won't experience it that way. But when you solo, see how much intensity you can use with the different skills and techniques that you know. If it's sliding, if it's picking, pinch harmonics, vibrato, everything you can do to get, because let's say I'm playing over a little loop that I created like this, right? Right? I can go. That's what my brain normally would come up with, right, of intensity. But then I just turn it up. So I just go like, okay, now I'm okay. Right? Because if you do this enough, you really get to utilize all the skills you have, and you really get to, by expanding and exaggerating that emotional impact, you really get, a hold of what can I really do then, right? And you develop in that area, because one thing is to practice vibrato, right? With a metronome, which I recommend you, right? So you really control it and practice sliding, or practice pinch harmonics, or right, all of these little things. But what's going to make you actually put them into action? Well, you need to go onto a playing field where all that is about, that whole game on that playing field, is see how much emotion and intensity you can put into it. That's how if you had to invent a game that's going to make you really good at playing emotional, then you would absolutely exaggerate everything you do to make it incredibly sad or incredibly aggressive or incredibly happy, right? But you would exaggerate it so you can get a hold of it instead of, right? If you're an actor, you need to go there, right? You need to, where is the top of aggression? Where is the top of sadness or depression, right? You need to visit these places, and the same thing goes for this. So whenever you have a new phrasing technique down, see how much emotion you can possibly get out of it, right? So hope to see you in the next video here. Don't forget to subscribe.